You're not going to believe what this defendant chose to wear to her court hearing. It honestly looks like she walked in straight from a pool party or a rave. She's facing serious allegations for violating the terms of her ILC in a criminal case. Yet she strolls into the courtroom like it's just another casual Tuesday. There's no regard for the judge or the seriousness of the proceedings. The judge notices it immediately, calling out both her swimsuit and the excuse she tries to give. And somehow, her explanation is almost as unbelievable as the outfit itself. So what do you think? Did she really not know she had court, or is she just playing games? Let's get into it. Did she seriously claim she didn't know this was a court date while standing at a podium, in a courtroom, in front of a judge, with her lawyer beside her? How is that not an obvious sign that you're involved in a legal proceeding? The lack of awareness is unreal. She's treating this like a quick stop at the DMV instead of a serious hearing where she owes over $11,000 in restitution. The judge is clearly fed up, and honestly, it's hard to blame him. She hasn't followed through on a single thing she was ordered to do. Showing up unprepared and then acting confused is incredibly disrespectful, not just to the court, but to the victims as well. At some point, the excuses about male issues or missed visits need to stop. You can't ignore the law for an entire year and expect the judge to be relaxed about it. Should the judge have just sent her straight to jail? What makes this even more alarming is that she's only 18 years old and already has theft cases pending in 3 different counties. That's sad and honestly impressive in the worst possible way. She stands there nodding as if she understands the situation, yet she tested positive for marijuana after the judge explicitly told her not to. She's facing felony charges for stealing thousands of dollars worth of cosmetics, and she couldn't even stay clean for a court appearance. The judge tries to give her a scared straight moment, asking if she understands what it feels like to be robbed, but she looks completely checked out. It's like she hasn't realized that juvenile court is behind her and that she's now looking at real prison time. A felony record before she's even old enough to rent a car is no small thing, and it doesn't seem like the gravity of that is sunk in yet. This was basically a masterclass in how not to behave in a courtroom if you want to stay out of jail. From showing up dressed at the beach to disappearing for a year and swearing on ancestors, these defendants don't seem to understand that judges hear excuses like this every single day. It really highlights how some people refuse to take responsibility until they're staring straight at a jail cell. The judge here was firm but fair. He had given chances before, and those chances were wasted through disrespect and negligence. If you want any leniency from the system, you have to respect the process and follow court orders. It's a tough lesson, but hopefully they wake up before it's too late. The takeaway is simple: dress appropriately, show up on time, and say less. And now I'm curious, which case do you think was the most delusional? Thanks for watching. If you enjoy these courtroom breakdowns, make sure to like and subscribe.